I'm going to show you how to make your first $10,000 in affiliate commissions using OpenAI's new text-to-video tool, SORA. In other words, I'm going to show you how to turn these AI-generated videos into thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions by doing not much else than just pushing a few buttons. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and like I said, what I want to show you here today is how to earn your first $10,000 using AI video tools like Sora. So obviously OpenAI is the same company that brought us ChatGPT, and now they have announced their text to video tool, a tool that's going to let you type in simple prompts and it's going to create stunning, unique AI videos like the ones you see here. So I've put together the exact steps that I've used to turn similar AI videos like these into money, and I want to jump right into it. So here's how to make your first $10,000 with Sora AI videos. First of all, I've put all of this into a step-by-step checklist. If you want something you can download and follow along with, that way you make sure you don't miss any steps, you can grab that at profitpassively.com. But here are the exact steps. The first thing you're going to do is set up social media accounts on every platform that you can, every platform that's going to let you post these short videos. The next thing you're going to do is find something to promote. Obviously, if you want to make money online, you're going to need to promote something. Somewhere somebody has to buy something. So I've put together a list of thousands of different offers you can promote at on my checklist at profitpassively.com. There's a few different affiliate platforms linked, like I said, that have thousands of different products that you can promote, and you don't need to pay anything. You just sign up and pick which ones you want to promote and get started. So then the third step is to create and schedule batches of videos. There's a couple of different ways to create video content that can make you money online. The first way is the manual way, and that's using CapCut. And of course, CapCut is free, so if you want to do this manually, you can, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a few minutes. And if you want to just go all out with AI, I've also linked an AI video tool down below. I'll tell you a little bit more about that as we go. So then step 4 is going to be double down on the type of videos that are actually generating views and sales. That's pretty common sense stuff. So the last step is optional, step 5. So for those of you who stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple lead magnet and follow-up email sequence, which can potentially 10x your chance of making a sale. And if you want to see the exact tool I use to do that, you can check it out at funnelsforever.com. But let's jump into it. I want to show you exactly how this works. So, like I said, this is how I've generated over $10,000 in commissions for this one affiliate offer here using the process I'm showing you here. So obviously the way this works, they give you a link to promote. The more clicks you get on that link, the more transactions or sales you make, which ultimately earns the company money. So here you can see for this particular affiliate offer, I've earned the company $23,000, 678 dollars, and that's earned me over $10,000 in commission. And this is just one affiliate offer. Like I said, if you head to profitpassively.com and grab the checklist, there are thousands of potential products that you can promote in the exact same way, doing what I'm going to show you here. So anyways, that's the first step. Get your social media account set up and find something to promote. The next thing you need to do is create and schedule batches of videos. So here's the old way to do this. What we used to have to do, even the old way using AI, right? It's only been out a couple years now, but anyways, you'd start by creating a text script here using ChatGPT. So I asked it to create a script here. Here I basically just asked it to refine it to take the images out, so it's just the words for the script here. So all I did was copy this. I've created a script using ChatGPT, just told it what I wanted. It spit it out. So now I'm going to hop over to this voice generator and basically just paste the script here from ChatGPT into the voice generator here and click generate. So now what this is going to do is then read this script out loud.
Hey there, ready to make some serious cash from the comfort of your own home?
So obviously I can select different voices. I could create an AI version of my own voice, but now you can see using AI in just a few seconds I've created a script, I've created a voiceover. So the next step would then be to just come into CapCut here into this tool and put the pieces of the video together, right? I have the images, up here in one section. I'd have the voiceover here in another section, and then there's an option to create the captions on the video as well, so that's the text over top of the video. So I just pieced that together in CapCut. So of course that's the free way to do it, is to create these different parts one by one using AI. But there is an easier way to do it, and that's what I've been doing using this AI video tool, which I will link in the description below. Now, the reason we're using this tool is because Sora is not available to the public yet. As of recording this video, if we look at Sora, if we click on safety, you could see that Sora is currently only open to beta testers and safety testers who are making sure it's safe for the public. But uh, regardless of whether you want to start now using the tool I'm about to show you, or whether you wait until Sora is released and you do what I'm showing you here with Sora, it's all the same process, right? You can go and create all this manually. You can type your prompt in and create a video. So here you take the video of the dog, you just put it into CapCut here and layer it as I just showed you. But what else you could do is use the tool linked below. It's called Shinify. This is my friend Chase's tool. And here all we have to do is paste our script in here, right? We had AI generate this script, so we can just paste it in here. Or if you want to get really lazy, you can have this generate a script and a video for you by clicking this idea tab. But either way, once you type this in here, your idea or your script, all you have to do is generate video. And this is going to do all the steps that I've walked you through on its own. It's going to create the AI images, it's going to create the AI voiceover, it's going to put the captions on the video, so you end up with something like this just from clicking a single button.
Earning passive income from your social media accounts has never been easier thanks to these 4 hidden websites. OneClickVids.com lets you
So it looks like my internet's being a little slow there, but you can see that this has created the AI images, it's created the voiceover, it's created text and captions for my video. So now all I have to do is take this video and upload it directly to my social media accounts. You can see that just these AI videos alone have been generating hundreds of views per video, and I post a few per day. So I'm getting 1,000 or more views per day just from these AI videos alone. And this is just on TikTok. If you're worried about them banning TikTok for whatever reason and you want to go with Facebook, you can go with Facebook, see hundreds of views per video here on Facebook as well. I also post these videos on Instagram, and I post them on YouTube. Anywhere that will let me post these videos, I post them. But what I'm trying to show you here is how easy it can be to create them. Again, whether you're doing this manually using the different individual AI tools, or whether you use an all-in-one tool like Shinify here. Again, that is linked in the description of this video. If you use the link in the description, that is the best deal that you're going to find anywhere as far as I know for this tool. So go ahead and grab the deal linked in the description if you want to use AI for this process. But then ultimately, the final step here is to double down on the videos that are actually getting views and sales. When you start doing this, eventually one of these videos is going to get a bunch of views and it will start making sales, and then all you have to do is create more content like the one that worked. It's pretty simple. So the last thing I want to show you here, for those of you who stuck around to the end of the video, is how I use this other tool, which you can find at funnelsforever.com, to create a simple lead magnet and follow-up email sequence, which 10x's my chance of making a sale. So here's how that works. If we come over here, I've drawn a little diagram here to explain how this works. So this is a video. So I've drawn a little crude drawing of a phone screen here with a play button, right? So that is your short video. Now, what most people do when they go to make money with short video and affiliate marketing is they create their video and people watch it and they send the traffic directly to their affiliate link. Now, the problem with this is most people are going to watch the video, and if they come over here to the affiliate link, most people are going to bounce. So they're going to look at it, but they're not going to buy, and they're going to leave the page and potentially be gone forever. So even if you get a ton of views on this video here, most of those views are going to be wasted because people are going to bounce without actually buying the product. So here's how I can use a tool found at Funnels Forever to solve this problem here. We can create a simple page, which I'm sure you've seen before, with a lead magnet. Now this is just what's called an opt-in form. There's a little box for somebody to put their email address and a little submit button, and they might get something for free for doing this. They might get a checklist, or they might get a video, or they might get access to your newsletter or a coupon or whatever it is. But anyways, this is how this solves the problem of people bouncing from our affiliate offer. So now we create our video and we send the traffic to this opt-in page, and as soon as somebody enters their information, they go directly to the affiliate link where we wanted them to go in the first place. The difference is now if they bounce and they don't end up buying that offer, that's okay. We haven't lost the traffic because we've set up an automated email sequence. So the very next day, they're going to get an automated email that brings them back to this offer. Says, hey, remember that thing you were interested in yesterday? Take another look at it. And then if they bounce again, well, that's okay because this is all automated. So the next day, or if you want to give them a break, maybe a couple days later, you can send another automated email. And since we've set this all up in advance, you can literally set up as many of these as you want. You can set up a week's worth, you could do 10 of them, you could do 30 of them for a month. However many you set up, that's how many times you're multiplying your chance of making a sale. And that's what you could do with a simple funnel builder like the one that's available at funnelsforever.com. So I hope this clarifies and things and shows you exactly how you can earn your first $10,000 in affiliate commissions using SORA AI videos, or just doing this manually, putting together videos yourself using CapCut. Either way, the most important thing to do is to get started. Like I said, if you want a step-by-step checklist on exactly how I do this, you can grab it from profitpassively.com. And other than that, if you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so you can see future videos when I put them out. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I hope to see you on the next Making Money with AI video.